Every summer, the coastal city of Alamein in Egypt comes alive with colors, sounds, and the vibrant energy of the Alamein Festival. Known for its azure beaches and historical significance, Alamein transforms into a bustling hub of cultural celebration during this annual event. The festival showcases the best of Egyptian arts, music, and cuisine, drawing visitors from all over the world. Streets are lined with stalls offering traditional food like kosheri and falafel, and stages are set up where musicians perform everything from classical Arabic music to contemporary pop. Artisans display their crafts, from intricate jewelry to stunning pottery, allowing visitors to take a piece of Egypt home with them. Workshops on traditional dance and cooking classes are also a staple, giving attendees a hands-on experience of the rich Egyptian culture. The festival also features historical reenactments and tours of the nearby World War II sites, blending education with entertainment. As the sun sets, the city's skyline lights up with fireworks, bringing a magical end to each day's festivities. The Alamein Festival is not just an event, it's a celebration of heritage, unity, and the enduring spirit of the Egyptian people.